Good morning, boys and girls. Oh, I wish we were in the classroom so I could see your beautiful faces. I miss you guys, but this is the way we got to move forward. So this is our math lesson 114, right where we left off. So let us get started. All right, we're going to start counting by 481 by tens. If you have your paper with you, you can go and write along with me. Please go ahead and recite the numbers as we go. 481, 491, 501, 511, 521, 531, 541, 551, 561, 571, 581, 591, 601, 611, 621, 631, 641, 651, 661, 671, 681, 691, 701, 711, 721, 731, 741, 751, 761, 771. All right, good job. Let's move on. So, it is April 2020. Today's date is, look at the calendar and tell me what's today's date. Everyone, get ready. Yes, it is April 13th, 2020. I'm going to go ahead and circle that. Today's date is April 13th, 2020. What would the date be 1 week from now? Everyone, get ready. Yes, April 20th, 2020. If it was, all right, tell me what the date would be 3 days from now. What would the date be 3 days from now? Everyone, get ready. Yes, April 16th, 2020. All right, we can see we have our counting numbers here. We're going to go ahead and start off with counting by threes from 0 to 30. Everybody, recite with me. Get ready. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Good job. All right, I want everybody to say those by yourselves. Get ready. Good. All right, next I think we should practice counting by 25s. So we're going to go 0 to 250 by 25. Everyone, get ready. 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Good job. All right, everyone, go ahead and say those by yourselves. Get ready. Good. All right, let's move on. So today the pattern of the day is on your screen. It starts out with 5.5, 5, 4.5, 4. What would the next number in this pattern be? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, it would be 3.5. After 3.5, the next number would be, get ready, 3. Good. And the next number would be, get ready. Yes, 2.5. And the next number, get ready. Yes, 2. The next number, get ready. Yes, 1.5. The next number, get ready. Yes, 1. And the next number, get ready. Good, 1.5. Good job. All right, today our fact family is going to be 2, 3, and 5. So we need to come up with our number sentences for that fact family. We have 2 adding sentences and 2 subtracting sentences. So the first one would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. And if we continue on with the addition sentence, we would also write down 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, and so moving on to the subtraction ones, we would start 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Good. All right, and our number of the day is 13. So we need 4 number sentences that equal the number 13. All right, think about it. First one I'm going to do is 7 plus 6 equals 13. We can then go ahead and do 6 plus 7 equals 13. Alrighty, so the next one I'm going to say 10 plus 3 equals 13. Can you think of another one that equals 13? How about us do a subtraction one? How about 16 minus 3 equals 13? All right, good job. Moving on. All right, so this is the problem of the day. There are 20 children in room 12. Half of the children have a dog for a pet. How many children have dogs for pets? Okay, so first of all, let's look at the information we're given. There are 20 children in room 12. Half of the children have a dog for a pet. And now the question is, how many children have dogs for pets? So we know that we have 20 children, and it says half of the children have a dog for a pet. And we know half of 20 equals 10. So how many children have dogs for pets? Yes, 10 children. Good job.